Yan ang bada ay si Manipuri ngang mapatado ng kung si pinatawro. Hita ko di ay gini lausa kita din ako gi. Ngasi Lok Sabha election da outer constituency da leiriba constituency kunipan yan han khangabok Herok Wangjing Tentha Sugnu Hyanglam Wabagai Kakching Dagi Jirabam Tampakishina Chingdagina Saikot Truchanpur Hinglep Singhat Thamlon Tipaimuk Tajaba Lake Tabaduda Kahan Bai Bashi. Everything I give first credit to my creator and my God. Because Shemjariba Humayamgi Ishwarduda Takapapiri. Ani Shubuda Leiriba Praja Mayam. Conscience of the people have spoken. Conscience of the people Haibashe. Hubu Yamang Tana Hingriba. Yamamang Chatana Chaliba. Advanced over nations na. Conscience na Nangba Haibashidi. Ay gumba Krishnat tabe hoy yamba hoy Dr. Bimol gumana wakrang angena tajaba ne haina pibuda da kari ba ibani shi achumba natar na topo kitang bot to ba yaroi adu tawrure adu ki bizar do ibani da lakhe da yamlai bani yambi yakti political family de gi lakpani na kitang di shigi level di Baptaje. Amana amabu political field sida BJP da ekoina loina makhangye hana takpige habegi da maktang si Manipur da thoiba thodok India da thoiba thodok she adunani praja de ekoina ta uba yade praja ki apamba du karino. What is it exactly that the people want? You don't need to ask. Hangu aibanati Namit the ubadu, what you see, what you understand. Adu ki wisdom do nahak puledrati leader ubagi artha shuk laileti. Okay, Bible le ikiba. Eko hanchi am na jet pa Christian ubagi mai kubo. Adum Bible power. I don't need to teach you. The church does not need to teach you. Power, let it to power. Read the good book. It'll teach you many things. Bible the verse amakak Yahweh. If the king listens to lies, all his officials become corrupt. Ningthauduna shida leriba mayam si nsi yamba Dr. Bimol ibani bu thakat lisi prajana ningthau phamni pirisi. Ningthau thakat piraga ningthau sina oidaba pataba taraga adu de chakhiba taradi. Lehoriba mayam si no pataba. Adugi patnam do ibani na pubang nam idori bro. Ngamoy da bani ko. Oy da patam di tago ya da ba. Nisi mayam she entire Manipur state na Congress party da mai pa khaliba. Yan han bada on behalf of Congress party. I would like to commend egi imanaba oiba itaw she ibani shi itaw kaunai. Ehaki honorable party ki president oibiriba itao Megachandra ani shubude khoi gi anchu oriba yam karak khaba chingdegi uncle Gaikhangam yam honorable deputy leader Tamoranjit Tamolokeshwar inao Surya Kumar Okram Eramiba Hana Pairamba Yamba Oken Yamba Loken, both former presidents, working presidents, Yamba Victor, Itao Fajur, Yamba Devabrata, plus Kaubashugya Yaroidaba, Yamba Mangawaipe. atokpa party gi leaders makai functionary makai mayamna thank you special oina haiba yaroi daba haidradi yaroi daba mi amakak yawe abdi haijage mashagi shunate mashana kendra du gi leader shunate but ima gumna ima ishagi ma last year August 3rd ta lekhidre mahak lejadrashu macha gumna khanbiraga ima hoi surjoguma ki mama oibiriba ima landhonina adana ithagale thank you ima ko thank you mashagi gumna macha hangi to bibo gumna day and night hangabo kendrada chatpiduna pangthokpagi result tuni misi phangai ise all of our leaders ekhoigi Tamenglong degi anoba changraiba Uncle Samuel lakpagi arthado karigi khangore khoi phangraiba vote more than 10,000 we got from Tamenglong last time khoi candidate poll tabani Tamenglong headquarters se khoi Dr. Aku Yama Didi district president Yama Paushiba every single district ki state ki leaders block level ki village level ki today is your day you have made the impossible possible today oiroi the pot no khoina oihalle eiga yama bimol gi thabak na mishidi nahan dagi oige da thabak to oihanda aduni oige da moina oihanda do na pangtaw da tawraga pungshan da shandok pirga to ba thabak to 좀 덮이봐. 아두기 타박도나 락게 되면 맞답니다. 에코이나 또 덮이다가. Thank you from my heart. On behalf of my family, 에코이 한시 98 years. 자 이브니. 나랑 에하기 이샤기 birthday 오이브니. What better gift? 에코이 한나 마샤꿈 타르가 마카다. 마야마 망도 말라웨. 이쇼네 건데 이게 이찬파. And you should be on the 4th of June. Again on the 4th of June, a victory like this cannot be possible without God's intervention. Ishona yawi bagi damakta praja mayam na nungsibiduna prajana tabak toba ngambani masak nungsibagi natti ebi fan pirakani habagi sho orang bashu ya oibti natti asheng badi tawpam thokpa what is your designated duty. Tawpam thokpa haibashi khwaidigi lubuni ko. Tawpam thokpa haibashi di achumbadu haibani. There can be no two rights, and there is the wrong can never take over the right. Ngishi Manipur da arang baduna achumba type ta chat khibagi ngishi khoi lady ba phibom chi shi. Thank you to my party, friends from the media. Bias or BD in a low handak Manipur Giti, all India level Giti Loire. Adugi Manipur Gishu on the bike crap you have that key to the kill the P. He would do editing Panto, the Topirga, Alfred Nashi hire in a second Mangaka Toprago. Loinam vote Tatpeni. Adugumba Delhi the all India the Toropanina. She should Torokadra Bigi. How do you know? This is a trend in all India, but Manipur Maktadi. Consciously, Taja Biraga, Yama Bimolibani Mapo, Kahan Bashi. Result Ohanba, period Ohanshe. Result oriented, destiny oriented, a good, strong, united people. Karamaina Purakani, Miman Namtap Tobiyate. Nobody can do to anybody. Any hekik Taibani, she kak Hiragaloshan Jage. Ukrudi Lapani. Ipu pa matamdegi forefathers matamdegi ishi tangkul unalai. Anahan election to the egi forefather ondegi home mari gumacha kibuto di cookie ni hai kramana. Cookie oibagi damata ishi unanimous cookie candidate ni anshuhai. As Mon Pamda lady by forefather shishu all namguni. Original Neshima Pamshigi. I have been an original, I will die an original. Hongbayade. Kanana Shupidi, India also has not given me. My forefathers have given me. If we want to be given, Adu is up to Nakpatabani. Adu Gingishi she Yama Bimolibani, Tatagedable Lambishi. Just like I said, I know I am a majority in Ukrul, which I highly would do. Wherever you're a minority, if you make for the Ukrul, you become a minority there. Obviously, demography in Yadava. This is India's system. If we not the Baptagedabani. She ain't a man, she day got top over. I know Ukrul 95% population Agini, Ukrula. A young by no Ukrul over the Mayana, no Makak, Kanai Manipur Mazala Kunipanka, which she told her. Don't even tell us I have on the Mitekuri. Adura, Equitalishe. I am never the bigger person. There is always somebody bigger. She could put the toy that took Jelaga. If I was Shamba Ishore, then she even Galiba Ishorna. Prasamayangi conscience to the Diraga. A good, a progressive, a very cohesive. Cohesive, I wish she did Tanarago ko Bab Tanaraga. Pajana Chetna. Wamaka hide over the no make up to the chain because hide the vida. No make up to the Shushin, Tony Matara lady, Hypum Gita Matamdo. Adumatamdo Procaga, Nishi Bani Bushman and Kahalik Pahabashe. This is the actual ideal democracy. I wish free and fair the Padana talking about. Free and fair Bakti Oidre. Oh, Adubu voter rights with their conscience without any money. Piraga Kahan Pahabashe. Manipur history today, you can the Ahan money in the law. Okay, Yamba Bimoli, first time in a go, Kamroy. India, the former chief ministers, former prime ministers, former union, former state ministers, MLA, Mangataruk Teretak MLA, as Bihari on Kid. Power Tiruba, Pesha Tiruba, oh, Tam Tiruba, Adumatam, the Shona Yerepomatam, the zero tarapa. Nishi Ibanibu zero expenditure the Kahale. Ibanishu Prajabu, as an example, zero expenditure the Achumba Achumba Shiniko in all days, a better, a much more united, a much stronger and unbreakable, but a vision that is inclusive of everybody. Thank you all.